Hi everyone and welcome to Red and Kitchen. Today we have a nice recipe. So, when we talk about pasta, what could be wrong, isn't it? So, briefly, we will make pasta with pepperoni sauce, toasted breadcrumbs. Starting from the sauce of pepperoni, we will divide them in two parts. And one part into slices as final garnish for our pasta, and other half we will blend it. According to me, since we have just these ingredients, to boost it. How? Few ingredients: anchovies, peppers, and garlic. That's it. Because pepperoni are sweet, and we want to give a more sharp flavor. How? With the saltiness of these two ingredients. I can really tell you it's a nice match. But then we want a bit of consistency, crunchiness, breadcrumbs, a bit of aroma. Oregano will be the must of this preparation, black pepper and a bit of salt. You can add like fresh herbs, everything you like, but for this recipe and given these ingredients, I think oregano is very nice. And now we have the best part, the pasta. You can play and use any kind of pasta. In this case, in this occasion, I have chosen this pasta. Sort of, like shell shape. For me, choosing pasta is like choosing a bottle of wine. Depends on the context. And in this case, since I want to make this cream, it's amazing. It sweets perfect because imagine mixture inside and you can really taste it, this experience. So, no other words, let's start, guys. Pepperoni ready, and now we open our anchovy. Can collect it. Okay, it of course our peppers, and remember, guys, to wash them, otherwise they will be very salt. Yes. So oregano, black pepper, oil from olive, bit of salt, Black pepper, oregano, a bit of oil. Un condimento. Ooh. For this operation we need a spoon because we have to collect all the ingredients. So you can cut the pasta and yes, all the sauce. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Superb, amazing. But you know what? I would have added a bit of acidity or something to contrast, but guys, taste it at home and then you can tell me your opinion. Also, I'm curious if you would like to share your opinion and idea about this recipe. Maybe instead of some ingredients, something different. Please, I hope you like it and see you next weekend.